Hello and good morning, everyone. So I am doing something today that I have never done before, and that's kind of a pack and chat video. I thought, why not put the camera on while we are packing things up? So that's what I'm doing. I've got a couple orders. This beautiful journal, this is how I ended up finishing it. Used this buckle. Is this not gorgeous? And then, of course, the dangle. So I just thought I'd come in and find out how everyone is doing. Hopefully you are great. It is October, which is so hard to believe. Truly, truly. I missed Halloween for sure. It's not something I am going to be putting anything in my shop this year because it is really, in my opinion, too late. By the time I had it made and got it listed, I mean, we'd be almost there. So not gonna happen. That's gonna teach me. I keep saying it every year. You need to get going in the summer months so that you are totally ready. But unfortunately, when it's 100 and something here, who feels like ghosts and goblins? Nope, I don't. So yeah, we've missed it. This order is going to Miss Terry. So I want to thank you, Terry, for your beautiful, beautiful order. We are just going to I'm going to use the rest of this ribbon, and of course this can be reused. So that's always beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So I've got a box ready to go. Put this gorgeous journal in there. And we have a thank you card. And we have some goodies. I've got a bag of goodies, and because I won't be doing Halloween, look at how cute is this. This is made with Grabby ephemera. We are going to be putting one of those in there, and I do believe I had, some other makes that we're going to be putting in here as well. Some of the makes we did online. She can use these in this journal. There's something for fall. And of course, am I missing something? Shred. Let's get some shred. I probably should be standing up doing this. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna work. Put some shred in here. I love this stuff. Love, love, love this stuff. So a little shred. I hope everybody's all right. Our bathroom is completely done, guys. It is so beautiful. I don't even want to turn the water on. It is so beautiful. I will do a reveal. We are still in the middle of putting stuff back. I mean, that is just a lot of work. Getting your stuff put back where it needs to go. And of course, you want to go through everything and make sure that you're not putting stuff back that you're not going to use and stuff that you don't want. So let's see if I can do this. She is ready to go. Let's take this off. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing really well. 109 October 1st is just, it's too hot here. It really is. I don't know, this year's been brutal. It came early and it has stayed. And then of course we've got people, I have a family member in North Carolina and lives in Black Mountain. They have no electricity. I mean, it's rough, guys. It is rough. So please send some prayers. Yeah, it's definitely prayer time. Okay, I think we'll go ahead and one more piece, and this will be ready for a label and ready for a new home. So Terry, thank you so much for your order. I really appreciate it. So this is the first one, and then I have an order from Nancy, and Nancy ordered one of the really cute little ephemera packets that I created using the time card. And you can see, I mean, I just went in and stuffed this. And of course, I will be sending more ephemera alongside of this so that she can have fun with her journals, folios, whatever it is that she's making, happy mail, whatever she wants to do. So thank you, Nancy, for your order. Really appreciate it. And I think what I'm going to do on the ends here is just go ahead and just close it off this way, just like that. And we're going to reuse a padded envelope for this. And we are going to add a card. We have a thank you card. And we have a bag with ephemera. I included a lot of ephemera for Nancy, and I am going to go ahead and send this pocket for Halloween. I don't know if Nancy does Halloween, but just in case she does. And a thank you sticker. And we are going to wrap this up again so that it is one package and put it in an envelope. I thought about doing a video with no sound, just maybe some music, and decided no, let's just come in and say good morning and wish everybody a great day today. Is it gonna work? I think so. This way. Let's see. Yep, that'll work. So I have not put any of my stuff back in the bathroom, so that's what I am working on today. And I am moving on, guys, to Christmas. I want to thank everyone that made purchases from Christina, my niece, with her fussy cuts or her digitals. She hit 1,000 sales, which is just fantastic. Okay, this is good. And so now, where did I put that? We're going to go ahead and reuse this padded envelope. This is perfect for this. Cut some of this off. she'll be good to go. So thank you, Nancy, for your order. I really appreciate it and hope that you absolutely love your little folio. And I'm going to wish everybody a fantastic day. You're going to be so surprised at what I am creating for Friday, guys. You are not going to believe it. For sure. It is super, super cute. And it is Halloween. It is not, it's going to be another like a, look at this. Oh, Charlotte. Like a make and take. Because, let me get this out of here. This is insane. Okay. It is something that I can't put through the mail. It's something that you're going to have to make yourself, but I think you're going to love it. Absolutely love it. Yep, but you have to wait. Yep, you do. You have to wait. It's going to be well worth waiting for. So I will. The kids are on fall break, so we're busy with the kids. But we will see you on Friday with a super, super project. Yep, guaranteed you're going to love it. Okay, guys, got my packages, and we'll get to the post office today. Everything else has been mailed, so I will catch you in the next one. Happy fall, y'all. Hugs. Bye.